Welcome, in front of me is DELL G15 and in this video I will show you how to scan QR codes using this device's web camera. First of all, tap on the Start button and select all applications right here. Then find your camera, open it, you can put it on a full screen, click yes once, and then click yes one more time, and after that select this barcode option on the right bar of your screen, and once you select barcode, grab your QR code and face it to the device's web camera. I may need to wipe it first. Okay, and when you see the link or anything appearing on your screen, click on it. Select your web browser, for example, to open the link, and you'll be transferred to a website or any other resource that was hidden inside this QR code. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.